Good evening, ma'am. I am Jimmy Ordinario from BPA2C. Composition of Progress, Senate and House of Representatives. Senate total members 100, terms length 6 years, presentation, each state has 2 senators regardless of population. Current composition as of now, the Senate is made of 51 Democrats, 41 Republicans, and 2 independents who caucus with the Democrat. House of the Representative, total members 435, terms length 2 years, representation seats are distributed based on the state population with each state having at least one of representative. Current position. The House currently consists of approximately 222 Republicans and 213 Democrats, so these numbers can fluctuate with special election and other changes. Let's proceed to legislative power and responsibilities. Refer to the authority granted to legislative body to create, amend, and repeal laws. Here are they and respect lawmaking. The primary function is to draft, debate, and pass legislation. Number 1. Representation. Legislator represent the interests and needs of their constituents. Number 2. Budgeting. Legislators control government spend and taxation, approving budget. Number 3. Oversight. The monitor and evaluate an action of the executive branch to ensure laws are implemented effectively. Number 4. Advice and consent. In some system, legislator approve treaties and confirm appointment made by the executive. Number 5. Amendments. They can propose amendments to existing laws or constitution. Number 6. Investigative power. Legislator can conduct inquiries and hearings to gather information on various issues. Let's proceed. Qualification of members of Congress. To be members of Congress in the United States, candidates must meet the following qualification. House of Representatives. Number 1. Age at least 25 years old. Number 2. Citizenship must be U.S. citizens for at least 7 years. Number 3. Residency must be resident of the state they represent. Let's proceed to Article 6 Legislative Philippines Constitution. Process for a bill become the typically follow the steps. Introduction. A bill introduced either the House of Representatives or the Senate by a member. Committee review. The bill assigned to a committee that specializes in the bill subject. The committee review holds hearing and may end the bill. Mark up the committee. Mark up the bill, making revision and changes if the approve the bill of forwards. Floor debate. The bill debate on the floor of the chamber where it was introduced. Members discuss the merits and may propose further amendments. Let's proceed the personal insight or reflection on the importance of the legislative process in the Philippines administration. The legislative process is crucial in public administration for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures accountability and transparency in a government by involving multiple stakeholders, including citizens, and the interest group of the foster public trust and engagement. Secondly, the legislative process is vital for creating laws that reflect the needs and values of society. It allows of the diverse representatives to be considered, promoting equity and inclusiveness in policy making. And that's all. Thank you, and thank you for watching, ma'am.